Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Modic from KuCoin to your Tangem wallet, specifically tailored for 2025 procedures. If you're holding Modic on KuCoin and want to secure it in your Tangem hardware wallet, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. It's quick, safe, and easy to follow, even if you're new to crypto. First things first, make sure you have your KuCoin account set up and verified. Log in to your KuCoin dashboard, that's the starting point. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallet, section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Find Modic in that list and click on it to access the withdrawal options. Next, select the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to choose the network. For Modic, always go with the Polygon network to avoid any issues. Double-check that. It's crucial because using the wrong network could mean losing your funds forever. Now, enter your Tangem wallet address. To get this, open your Tangem wallet app, go to the Receive section for Modic, and copy the address carefully. Paste it into the withdrawal form on KuCoin. After that, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember to leave enough for network fees, which can vary but are usually pretty low for Polygon transactions. KuCoin might ask for a two-factor authentication code here, so have that ready for security. Review everything one last time, address, amount, and network, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification shortly. Once the transaction is initiated, it typically takes a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Tangem wallet to see when the Modic arrives. Pro tip: always verify your wallet address multiple times to prevent errors, and never share your private keys. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn Modic from KuCoin to your Tangem wallet. This method keeps your assets safer and more decentralized. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.